9th class English book chapter number 5 Women Empowerment through Entrepreneurship exercise question answers न्यू एडिशन बुक के अकॉर्डिंग मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ ताकि आपको लर्निंग में आसानी हो सके. So question number 1 is what qualities made Hazrat Khatija a successful entrepreneur in a male dominated society and how can these qualities be applied by a modern woman entrepreneurs? The answer is Hazrat Khatija wisdom, integrity, leadership and resilience made her a successful entrepreneur. Modern women entrepreneurs can apply these qualities to their businesses by staying wise, honest, and resilient. Question number 2 is how does the growth of women led businesses in Pakistan contribute to economic development and job creation, especially in rural areas? The answer is women led business in Pakistan contribute to economic development by increasing output, addressing market needs, and creating jobs, especially in rural areas. Question number 3 is why is mentorship and networking critical for the success of women entrepreneurs and how do support systems like women's chambers of commerce enhance their growth? The answer is mentorship and networking are critical for success of women entrepreneurs as they provide guidance, skill development, and opportunities to connect with others. Supportive systems like women's chambers of commerce enhance growth by offering platforms for showcasing products and building businesses networks. Question number 4 is what role does e-commerce play in mobility and overcoming societal barriers for women entrepreneurs in Pakistan?